If you're learning Dutch and people keep switching to English, this video is for you. My name is Natasha. Today, I'll show you 7 Dutch mistakes beginners always make and how to fix them. Pay attention, because mistake number 5 is the one almost everyone gets wrong. Let's start. Mistake number 1 is age. In English, you say, I am 25 years old. But in Dutch, this is wrong. People often say, ik heb 25 jaar oud. That sounds wrong in Dutch. The correct sentence is, ik ben 25 jaar oud. In Dutch, we use the verb zijn for age, not hebben. This mistake immediately tells Dutch people you're a beginner. Quick question, did you know this? Tell me yes or no in the comments. Mistake number 2 is a dangerous one. Never say, ik ben heet. This does not mean I'm warm. In Dutch, heet means hot and sometimes even sexy. What you want to say is, ik heb het warm. Trust me, this is one you really want to remember. Tell me in the comments, did this surprise you? Mistake number 3 is word order. Many beginners say, ik ga naar huis nu. The words are correct, but the order sounds unnatural. The correct sentence is, ik ga nu naar huis. Same words, different order, much more natural. Dutch people notice this immediately. Be honest, is Dutch word order hard for you? Comment below. Mistake number 4 confuses almost everyone. Never say this about a person. Ik weet hem. This is wrong. Say this instead. Ik ken hem. In Dutch, you use the verb kennen for people. That's it. Which one is harder for you? Kennen or weten? Mistake number 5 is translating English word for word. Never say this in Dutch. Ik wacht voor jou. I'm waiting for you. This sounds wrong. Say this instead. Ik wacht op je. In Dutch we use op, not for. This mistake is very common. Tell me, did you make this mistake before? Mistake number 6 is about politeness. Dutch is direct, but not rude. If you say, geef me dat, it sounds very direct. A more natural and polite sentence is, kun je dat even geven? One small word, even, makes a big difference. Dutch people use this word all the time. Comment one word, even, if this helps you. Last mistake. Many beginners say, jij ontbreekt me. Grammatically, this is not wrong, but it often sounds unnatural. Dutch expresses feelings differently. A more natural sentence is, ik mis je. This one sounds strange at first, but very Dutch. Which mistake surprised you the most? If you want to stop sounding wrong in Dutch, subscribe to this channel. I post short, simple Dutch tips for beginners without boring grammar. And don't forget to comment. Which mistake surprised you most?